Welcome everyone to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone here in macOS, which basically allows you to see and use your iPhone right here on your Mac. And the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that your Mac is up to date. You do need to be using macOS Sequoia or newer. Also make sure that your iPhone is up to date with iOS 18 or newer. Make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled and that the Mac and iPhone are next to each other. And you will also need to be signed into the exact same Apple ID account on both the Mac and on the iPhone. Once you've done all of that in applications, there's an app called iPhone Mirroring. You'll just want to open that up. You can also just go to the launch pad and search for it and open it that way. And it may walk you through a quick setup, but once you've done that, you're in. This is it right here on the screen, and you can move it around. You can actually interact with it and use the iPhone just, again, right here on your Mac. So if I click on, for example, settings, we can see I'm in settings and I can use and scroll. To get out of an application, you can just click this black line at the bottom, or you can also hover towards the top and just click this icon and it will minimize it. You also have this icon to show what is open. And so it's pretty simple, pretty easy and straightforward to use. But if you do have any questions or comments, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the subscribe button, the thanks button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.